start working at 7:45 and it's currently 6:20. So now I need to panic now and get ready.
Therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives. We won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my friends. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that.
Of attacks.
Come and take the shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright. I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright. I'm sipping on you. What's going on with you? I will not love for you. I can't relate, girl, when you say that it was overdue. I play no games for you, girl, what we trying to prove. I had a doubt, so the doubt is falling in love with you. It's deja vu, you say it's cause you're Gemini. So inconsistent, why you anxious? We wasting ammunition. It's deja vu, I knew that you were never mine. So clueless, I guess you will never know. I need you to just be you. When you're playing dumb, I never even notice. But I'ma play the same game with you now. So come and take the shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright. I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright.
It's currently 2:43 p.m. and I am going at the Google because 50% off, right?
That's what it said.
Yeah, 50% off today. What's the thing today?
Off day.
Oh, it's Earth Day. That's why they have yeah, that's scary. They have on sale stuff now. All the Google. So see you there.
Let's take you back to me and you. You called me up and said that you just got your driver's license and that there's nothing we can do. Running every light past the city of Pasadena and Cecilia.
I found it, so it's complete now. This goes here and go there. I use it on my phone.
Swear to God. Play the tape when we were stupid kids, middle fingers up.
got this. So done this cute bag. Some short, this is short.
I'm always gonna lift you up. I'm always gonna fill your cup. I'm always gonna be there for you. I'll always show support. I'll always open your door. I'll always make time for you. Always, always, always for you. I'll always make you laugh. I'll always check your math. I'll always look out for you. I'm always gonna take the heat. I'm always gonna save your seat. I'm always gonna keep it real with you.